P.T. Barnum has a famous quote: without promotion, something terrible happens. Nothing. And that's the whole premise behind Let's Make Your House Famous. In our attempt to make your house famous, research shows that there are 4 personality types and 3 learning styles. Our goal is to combine those in all of the marketing, all of our advertising and branding to make your home famous. In order to make your house famous, it's more than just sticking a sign in the yard. We have to do all the little things that make the big difference, from your brochure to the sign to where we are posting on social media, YouTube, and everywhere. We need as many eyeballs as possible to get your house famous, get top dollar in the quickest amount of time. So when you go to list your home, there are 2 key factors to consider. One is the marketing and branding. That's the make your house famous. That's the fun stuff. The other thing that most people don't talk about, and it is the hardest thing to articulate, is your agent's ability to negotiate. When you take the marketing and branding, the make your house famous, together, coupled with the negotiation, you're going to get top dollar in the shortest amount of time with the greatest of ease. And that's what we want to do for you.